Hello everyone, time now for a look at our UpNorthLive.com forecast. Back to work on a Monday, but it's also St. Patrick's Day. Now we're looking at kind of a, not really a lot going on, but it is going to cloud up. We have some sun to start the day today. It was very cold. Later today, highs will get into the low and mid-20s on southeast or easterly winds. And then you can see by the drive home, fairly cloudy area wide, maybe a few flurries across the eastern UP. That's not the only concern. Tuesday into Wednesday is more of a storm system coming in. You can see this here on our Monday. There's the flurries we were talking about. It will cloud over. Early Tuesday, a little snow in the Straits and the Upper Peninsula. Actually, the majority of our Tuesday looks quiet. Snow will lift north of us, and then watch what happens here Tuesday night. We actually warm up enough where here in northern Michigan we expect some rain to break out. And this here is freezing rain across the UP early Wednesday. So the roads can be a little icy, especially with the snow on the ground. The rain will continue into Wednesday before switching back over to snow Wednesday evening and Wednesday night. As for snow amounts, we're not looking at a spectacular amount of snow. The big snows will be out across Minnesota. They could see up to a foot up around Duluth. For us, we're just too warm, so maybe an inch or so, that should be about it. And the other concern is the ice accumulation. We expect that mainly north of the Mackinac Bridge, but we could see 1,500s, maybe up to 2/10 of an inch of ice. And again, that would be Tuesday night and Wednesday. So there's our 7-day forecast. Again, we warm up, a little bit of icing Tuesday night, early Wednesday. That's kind of the time frame we're watching here. That rain will switch over to snow to Wednesday as temperatures cool down to 21 Wednesday night. Thursday, low 30s, a few lingering snow showers. We're looking at dry weather for the weekend.